All right. The Amazon box came in. It was ordered on January 31st and delivered on February 4th. And there's what we're looking for right there. The strap locks by Musiclily. So I decided we're going to put these on the Rickenquacker. Come in a little package. Here's a part number for you. I've dealt with Musiclily before, and I will talk about that in an upcoming video. They always include a little Musiclily pick in their orders, and it's like a heavy gauge pick. So initially, these look like very typical strap locks. Build quality seems fine. I went up into the guitar room and checked out the amount of play in some of the brand name, twice as expensive strap locks, and it's comparable to these. The build quality seems pretty similar. So let's put these on a strap. Nice big solid washer, it's beveled on the top. Take these apart, and when I put these on a strap, I like to make sure that when the guitar is in the strap, the weight of the guitar is sitting down in the pocket of the strap lock. It's not a situation where if you pulled the pin, the guitar would fall away from the strap, because you never know when it's going to get bumped, or if eventually a spring wore out or something. You wouldn't want that pin to get hurt or damaged and the whole guitar resting on the weight of the pin. You want the guitar sitting down in that saddle of the strap lock, and that way whether the pin ever got bumped or whatever, it wouldn't make any difference. The pin should be just to hold it into that pocket of the strap lock. So we'll put that all together, snug it right up. I'm not easy on these. Got to compress all that leather in the strap, otherwise the nut's going to come loose down the road. So to take out the original strap holders, strap pins, and I'm actually choosing to use the original screws. I'm taking the ones that Musiclily gave me, because they're a little bit thicker than the ones that were in the Rickenquacker, and I'm taking the Rickenquacker screws and I'm putting those in the Musiclily strap locks, and I'm putting them back in the guitar. Just the Musiclily screws were just a little bit bigger, and I just didn't want to mess with that. The stock screws are going to go a little deeper because of the difference in depth between these ones and the original pins. Just fasten it all on here. And she hangs just wonderfully. I don't anticipate having any issues with these pins. So I hope you found that information helpful, and I hope you'll subscribe. And if you add one of my songs to your playlist on whatever music platform you're listening to these days, that would be a free yet wonderful way to say thank you. And if you download one of my songs, that would be super awesome. You can find all the links at longdistancetraveler.com. Thank you so much for watching.